Summer is almost here. It's getting warmer out. It's time to take those doors off and get some tube doors on. These tube doors here are from hookroad.com. They will be linked in the description below, and I have a discount code for you to get a discount on your order. Let me show you the process of taking off your stock doors and installing these tube doors. Let me take you through the process of removing the stock doors. First, we're going to disconnect the wiring to the doors. There's a little wire harness right there. We're going to pull that little red tab down and push on the little black tab and disconnect the wiring harness. Next, we're going to slide that strap off the hook. Now at this point, the door will swing open much farther, so be very careful that it doesn't swing open and damage your fender. A little pro tip, roll your windows down before you disconnect everything. Now if you don't have any locking pins or bolts on the bottom of the studs here, you can go ahead and start lifting the door off and rock it back and forth and gently lift up and it'll slide off. Sometimes this is easier with two people. And set it safely somewhere out of the way, or better yet, get yourself a good door storage system like this rack from Hook Road. I will include a link in the description below where you can find this identical rack, and be sure to use the code JeepSolid to get a discount on your order. Now to remove the rear doors, it's a very similar process. We have to remove this panel to get to the wire loom on the rear doors. Now I have everything laid out to install the tube doors. Let's get to it. I have all the hardware laid out for the driver's side front door, the two hinges which go on the outside, the strap, this goes on the inside. The front door straps are shorter. You have a shorter strap and a longer strap. Shorter ones in the front and all of our hardware to bolt it on. Now I'm only putting these on finger tight until we put the door on the Jeep. Then once it's on the Jeep and latched, we will tighten everything down. Boy, I am really liking the look of that already. If your latch isn't tight, if you have some wobble in your door, you can adjust that, loosen those two bolts right there, and you can tighten up the latch. All right, let's repeat that process with the rear doors and the longer straps. Wow, I am loving the look of that. Those tube doors are gonna be awesome all summer long. I really like the powder coating. They seem pretty sturdy. The latch on them works great, super smooth. These tube doors and that storage rack are available on Hook Road's website. That'll be linked in the description below. And be sure to use the code JeepSolid to get a discount on your order.